Everybody, this is Shayn McFarland. I am going to walk you through how to create an event in Facebook and invite all of your friends with just a few clicks of the button, so that you don't have to go through and click on every single person. So from your home page, you're going to click on Events. And here you will create an event. Pop up something nice here, and we'll just do event invite demo. How to invite all your friends to an event with a few clicks. Because I'm not actually going to be inviting everybody. So in the details area, here in the event name, you want to put, kind of what the event is. I usually put, live, 9 p.m. EST, meet with whoever, Larry Marcus and Shayn McFarland, doing a business build, something. And then in the details, you put everything. You can make your details as big and as long as you want. It can be a page, it can be extremely long. It doesn't need to be, though. You can just put in some key facts that you want about your event. You can put in links. You can put in links to a couple different videos and everything. And then where it's going to be. And here, the Meatball Shack, man, this place is awesome. This is where you will put, the address of the event, whatever it may be. This just happens to be one of my domains. So you can put the domain in here and it'll put it right there. I mean, you can see that Facebook obviously is using this as, where you can put a physical location or whatever, but you can also put a URL, which works fine. Here you'll set the date and the time, and so let's set it for tomorrow. And we're going to go 7. Let's say we're going to set it at 7:15 p.m. It already picks up where I'm at. So make sure that you set this as to, if you want it like 9:15 Eastern Standard Time, then this is what you would choose, 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, because that's where I'm at, 2 hours behind Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and I always just do it public. Get as many people as I can to my event, and by doing it public, anyone can see the event, but you can specifically and personally invite all of your friends. And this is where the fun part happens. So you click Invite Friends, and you'll see it pulls up, all of my friends, and to go through and click on every single friend, and I've got about 4,000. It would take me forever. So you simply need to scroll down. And depending on how many friends you have, it might take a while. So you scroll down to the very, very bottom. Bear with me. I'm still scrolling. We're getting there. Almost there. All right, it's taking a little longer than I thought, but we really are almost there. And then also, you may not want to invite everybody, and I'm going to show you a little trick that I do, because there's certain people that I don't invite. So here you go. You just scroll down to the very bottom of all of your friends, and now I'm going to list these codes for you. So they'll be right below this video, or if you're getting this in one of my personal teams or my groups, then these codes will be available to you. So here are these invite codes. And I'll also have some special instructions that go along with these codes. Now there's 2 codes depending on what browser you're in. I don't know what works with what browser, so it's a bit of trial and error. Some don't work with Firefox and Mozilla, and some work better with Mac. So let me show you what you have to do. Just cut and paste this. So you're going to copy, and then you're actually going to go up into your address bar up here, and you're going to paste it. Now notice that the JavaScript that is here does not appear there. So you need to physically type that in. So JavaScript : and then you can see I've obviously added this a bunch of times, so it's there, and then you're just going to hit enter. And you can tell if it's going to work because you can go over here and you can scroll. So this code does not work for this browser. And that's a quick way rather than sit there and wait. And I'm going to show you what the difference is. So now I'm going to grab this code. We'll go up and we'll try it again. Okay, and there's the ELMS, I believe, and the VAR. So let's throw in JavaScript again, and you click return. Now I come down here, I can't move this. I'm froze. So it's going to take a few seconds, and it's actually going in there, and it's selecting every single one of my friends for me. So rather than go through and click 4,000 people, and you might just have 100, or maybe 200 or whatever, or you might have 1,500. But I'm telling you, you can tell this is saving you a ton of time just by letting the program go in and select all of the people for you. And my computer's just, it likes to go a little faster than what the program is. So that's what that little window was. It was asking me if I wanted to wait. So let's give it a few seconds. And this should pop up. I'm actually going to pause the video for a second while this continues. Okay, now you can see, done. All of your friends have been selected. Wow. Check this out. All of my friends have been selected. So if there's someone I don't want to have in there that I don't want to send to, maybe it's a friend that I don't want to see it or whatever, then just put in that person's name. I'm not going to send this to, let's say, one of my buddies. I'm not going to send this to Andy Sturton. I'm not going to send it to one of my mentors, Andrew Cass. But this is, I'll send it to everybody else. And you can go in and you can deselect whoever you want. So I save that. Now I've invited, 3,083 friends. So it doesn't grab, it must not have grabbed a few friends, and that's fine. I think 3,000 is enough to invite to this place. And then you just